Hi everybody, this is Love, Peace, and Happiness here doing a follow-up review on my final thoughts on the Perricone MD Deep Crease Serum. It is this product that I did the review on. And I received this product via Influenster, which is, if you're not familiar with it, I'll link everything below, but basically it's free product. In turn, you give a review, whether you post it on social media. It basically tells you everything that you have to do in order to receive the product. As long as you keep doing the reviews, they wind up sending you product to review. And I've received quite a few boxes already. It's pretty neat. I'll leave my link below. That way you can get on that if you want. There's no obligations or anything like that when you're doing it. But I wanted to let you know my final thoughts on what I thought of the product itself. First of all, the product claims that it tightens the skin immediately, leaving a smoother texture. I have to say that the product didn't leave it immediately like that. However, the fragrance was very mild, I thought, which was great. It wasn't very overpowering. And the product seemed to definitely even out my skin tone for sure. It seemed to give a youthful appearance on my skin. The product also claims that it minimizes the appearance of wrinkles immediately, and I have to agree with that. It didn't make them completely go away, but it definitely diminished them in some sort of way. It kind of took some of the wrinkle or sagging crepiness under the eyes. It took that away for sure, and I think it gave me an overall glow to my face. And lastly, the product claims that it does smooth the texture of your skin immediately and also providing a healthy glow. And as I stated, it definitely gave it a healthy glow. And I do believe that it did improve my overall texture as well as it claimed. The product is used by massaging into the expression lines, such as your forehead, in through here, I think it's called marionette, if I'm not mistaken. These lines, laugh lines that are here that extend down here. And I also did it on my neck. My neck actually has the creases, and it's definitely not as bad as what it was. I've used this in the morning and at night, and I noticed definitely a change in that. And like I said, even on the most sensitive skin, I didn't have any issues with it. My skin is somewhat sensitive. It's not majorly, but enough that if there was a product that had some sort of chemical in it that wasn't supposed to be there, my skin would definitely tell me. So the question is at hand, would I purchase this product on my own? I would, definitely would. The price points are very high. Actually, the price point is about $179 I saw on Sephora, and it is pretty steep. It does work, it does claim, and it does follow through. Picture time. Thank you so much for watching.